A workman is always known by his work. Good morning, everybody. This is Naval in front of you with another story. Story name is Every Attitude Counts. One day, the class was going on in the school. One student stood up on his seat and asked to the teacher, "Sir, you always say that attitude matters. So is it right?" Teacher said, "Yes, it always matter that how your attitude is. It always makes you failure or success. It does not matter how you do the work. It always it does not matter you complete the work well or not. It always matters that how you complete that work. Today I will show you that how your attitude shows your work." So he asked his student to go on a construction site, and they went to their nearby construction site. The one workman was working was sitting on the ground and breaking the stone. The teacher asked to that worker that, "What are you doing?" The worker stood up and said, "Don't you see that I am breaking the stone?" Teacher did not say a single word and left that place. He did not notice other workmen. He did not tell other workmen about this. He walked few steps and met with another worker. The another worker was break working on the same working on the stone again, and the work was totally different. He was just matching the stone with other stones. So the teacher asked to the worker that, "What are you doing?" He did not notice to the teacher and said, "I am just matching the color of the stone with the other color." Teacher said him thank you and left that place. He again again went to another third worker and asked the same question to the worker. That worker did not notice the group of the student. He just saw him when the teacher called him, asked him some question that, "What are you doing?" The worker said, "I am just uh, filling the foundation of the temple. If we do not fill the foundation properly, the temple would not be stood up for a long period of time. And if the foundation would be strong, then everybody if everybody would come to this temple, would appraise the work, that how this temple is." So he left that place, said thank you to the worker, and went ahead. He asked the same question to a sculptor who was making the idol of the Lord. He was doing his 100%. He was giving his 100% to making that idol perfect, so that the pilgrimage who come to the temple and see the God, they can relate themselves with the God. They can find peace on the God. They can relate himself with the God. So he was totally 100% devoted his time and mind to making that sculpture good. So the teacher left the construction site with the student and came to the school. He asked the same question again. What did you notice when you went to the construction site? One of the student stood up on his seat and said, the first worker was very frustrated. He did not like his work, what he is doing. He is doing his work for his money, to earning money to feed his family. And the teacher said, good, your observation is so good. So he asked to another student, what did you notice? The another student said, the second worker was loving his work, doing his work, but he did not give another positive feedback of the temple. The third worker who was happy with his work, he just wanted to make the people happy who would visit to the temple in the future. So he was totally happy with the work he is doing. The teacher asked again to the student, what do you think about the fourth worker who was making those idols of the god? The student said in unison, he was doing his work awesome. He was doing excellent work. He was loving his work. He was cherishing his work. He always wanted to do what he want to do. He want the all good feelings. He just want to involve his all feelings into the idol, so that people can attain to the idol and make their feelings impress to the god through the idol. So the teacher said, very good, you all absorbed the same thing what I just wanted you to observe. So students noticed or experienced that every attitude matters. If you have a positive attitude, it matters. If you have a negative attitudes, it matters. It does not matter what work you do. It always matter how you take that work. Do you take the positive feedback from the work, or do you give negative vibes to the other people by your work? So we should always have positive vibes in ourselves, so that we can spread the positive vibe to the other communities, to other people of the society, to our workers, to our colleagues in the office. Thank you so much.